Hi, good morning. I am Sandeep from Biomedicon Services India Private Limited. Today I am explaining you the software from Zoll Medical Corporation, that is the RescueNet Code Review. This is the system-wide software for the defibrillator case studies. Data can be retrieved from all the Zoll defibrillators, includes the ECG, shock, waveform details and the data into the tabular formats. CPR quality matrix gives you the CPR fraction, pre and post shock pause time, CPR quality, average compression rate, average compression depth, release velocity and overall compression quality. Data transfer via compact flash card or Wi-Fi communication card. Verify Zoll issued Wi-Fi card or CF card is properly placed at the lower left side of the machine. Then turn on the defibrillator into the monitor mode. Press the report data soft key. Then press the transfer mode soft key. Then press transfer mode to Wi-Fi or transfer to a CF card. Once the data is transferring, the message data transfer will get displayed. After that, if the data is fully transferred, then the message data transferred will get displayed on the machine. Please note, do not remove the CF card while data is transferring. Uploading cases via compact flash card reader. Insert the compact flash card into the card reader. Card reader will get attached to the laptop or the desktop in which the RescueNet Code Review software is installed. Open the computer drive for the card reader, then double click to the full folder and then again double click to the Zoll single case file. Uploading cases via Wi-Fi. When you save the data into the Wi-Fi, the system places all the files in the full disclosure files location of the configured server. In code review, you can rectify that location by pressing the tools, options, network, then the full disclosure files. To upload the files into the code review, click the upload case from the network icon, and from that you will retrieve all the full disclosure files. RescueNet Code Review menu tabs. There are 5 menu tabs: General, CPR Analysis, CPR Quality Criteria, Magnified ECG and the entire ECG. In General tab, you will get the device information, that is the device type, serial number and the device ID. Next, you can, if you want, you can put the patient's data into it. How to set a CPR period? For that, first you tell to the program that where you want to state the CPR period and where you want to close the CPR period. This is called as the CPR period. Move the cursor at the beginning, hover over the CPR period, then click the start. Similarly, move your pointer to the end where you want to end the CPR period, and hover over to the CPR period and then click to the end. You will get the complete CPR period. How to zoom in and zoom out? This CPR analysis tab allows you to view the 30 seconds of CPR shot. When you want to zoom in, there is a one magnifying glass at the top. You can zoom in the data for the 30 seconds, or for zoom out you can see the entire case. In this tab you can see the shock summary, where the shock is getting delivered, depth, overall compression quality and the customizable target zones. Again you can see the average pre and post shock pause times, mean compression rate and depth, chest compression fraction, means the in percentage actual time spent on the compression. Then the overall CPR quality. It gives you the percentage of time, both rate and depth, in the designated target zones. This is the release bar where you can get the mean release velocity in the tablet format. AHR recommends complete chest recoil while doing the CPR, means no leaning. Magnified ECG. This will give you the complete ECG in a when you press the play button, you will get the complete picture of the ECG waveforms, and again the vital signs details also you can get once you click the play button. This is the entire ECG. CPR analysis summary. It gives you a 3-page complete printout of a CPR analysis summary, which includes the compression quality metrics, CPR fraction, pre and post shock pause times. To get the CPR analysis summary, go to the printer section, hover over the case, then press the CPR analysis summary. You will get all details of the compressions to shock time and shock to compression time. At last, you will by getting all this data, you will improve the CPR quality. Here you can get the mean depth of compression, mean rate of compression, compression in target, and compression fraction. You can compare with the standard readings, then by viewing it you can improve your CPR quality. So this software is very useful. For any further queries, please write to us or please call to us. Thank you. Thanks a lot.